You can order the rear bumper cover used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Pull on the trunk release handle and open the trunk. In the wheel arches, using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws holding the rear bumper cover to the rear fender and body. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a T30 or 5mm Allen socket, unscrew the bumper cover retaining bolt. Do the same on the other side. Position yourself under the bumper cover. Using a fork, remove the 2 rivets holding the bumper cover. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. You can now unclip the rear bumper cover from the bumper retainers. The rear bumper cover is now free. You can remove it, preferably with help from a second person. You can order the rear bumper cover used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Put the rear bumper cover back in place by its central part first. Then, reattach each side to the bumper cover retainers. Screw the retaining bolts back on at the trunk. Screw the 4 rear bumper cover retaining screws back onto the body and fender. Under the vehicle, put the rivets back in place. Operation complete.